Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Everflow affiliate earnings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Everflow account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the Reports section in the sidebar. Click on Reports to view your performance metrics. From the Reports menu, select Affiliate Earnings to see your accumulated earnings. Review the earnings to ensure they are accurate and reflect what you expect to withdraw. After confirming your earnings, head to the Payouts section. In the Payouts area, click on Withdraw. You will now see the available payment methods for withdrawal. Choose your preferred payment method from the options provided. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, making sure it meets any minimum requirements. If necessary, fill in any additional details required for the withdrawal process. After entering your information, carefully review all entries to avoid errors. Once everything is confirmed, click on the Submit button to proceed. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your withdrawal request has been submitted. You may receive notifications about the status of your request via email. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding processing times. Once approved, your funds will be transferred according to the chosen payment method. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Everflow support for assistance. Wait for the funds to appear in your account, as processing times may vary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.